Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the best copy traders you should be following and how I would customize my own personal settings to their trading style. If you guys want to follow any of these guys, I have links down below, so let's get started. So starting off at number 1, we have Bitget user WZ5EMDCY. I don't know why he doesn't have a name there, but it's okay for us. He's been registered for over 775 days, so he's been trading for a very long time, and he likes to hold his positions for a while, which I think is very, very good. Over the last 30 days, he is up around 27.5%. He has 10 profitable trades and 3 losing trades, which is pretty darn decent. His profit is around $1,900 for the last 30 days, while the people following him are up around $2,800, $2,900, which is really, really good here. If you want to follow him, he's on Bitget. The orders he's been doing have been generally pretty good, but you can see there are some losses in here, but more wins than losses, of course, is how the day is going to work. As far as the people following him, though, you're seeing they're all making money. I think that's the most important thing when I talk to you guys about these types of traders. Are the people following him and copying him making money? And you can see the highest one is $1,200, and over here we have $150. So generally speaking, there's some good moods there. There's some good things happening. But as far as his orders, he's trading with 20x leverage. So if you guys do want to follow him and you guys don't have a large account, make sure, like let's say if you guys have $1,000 in an account, you guys really shouldn't be doing any more than $50 per trade if you want to follow his 10x leverage. If you want to do $100 per trade, that's fine, but do 10x leverage. Don't get over levered, because if he's doing 20x leverage and it takes a little bit of time, and it goes in a negative for a while, you want to make sure you're not getting liquidated, because that'll destroy your copy trading account, especially once we start talking about some of these guys who are doing much higher leverages, right? So, talking about that now, we go to Soaring Straight to 90,000 miles. This guy's on WEEX. If you want to follow him, I have a link down below. But his return on investment is absolutely insane, over 506%. However, he is shorting and logging with 200x leverage, which means you cannot follow with 200x leverage if you don't have enough money in your account, or more likely, you just have to make sure you're not trading with as much capital, all right? So if you have $100 in your account and you put a $50 trade with 200x leverage, if it just dips down a little bit, you're liquidated. You cannot have that. So if you don't have a lot of money, do small increments. Do $20 trades, do $30 trades, do $40 trades, whatever you need to do, but make sure you understand, what if that position goes down 1,000%? Can I absorb it? Because you can see the profits here are 1,500% return, 1,500% return, 1,300% return, 1,000% return, 1,400% return, and he doesn't have like as many losses. He has no losses so far. That may change. It's never certainty. So I want you guys to understand that you need to make sure that you have everything situated there. And on top of that, he always has a bunch of trades on. He has a load of trades right now. If I go to his summary, you're going to see he has a 400% Bitcoin short open right now, Ethereum 400%, Litecoin 200, Ethereum Classic 200. He has a load of different trades going on at any given time. So you got to make sure you're not allowing him to trade all of your capital at one time. Make sure that you guys have a setting in there where he says, hey, I'm only going to follow one trade at a time, or better yet, just say I'm only going to follow his Bitcoin trades, or I'm only going to follow his Ethereum trades. That way you guys aren't getting caught up in the muck, because some people will only follow him for his Filecoin trades or his Link trades or his Bitcoin Cash trades, and they will not be following him on his Bitcoin trades or his Ethereum trades. And that's because maybe Bitcoin Cash is more volatile, so they can get more money out of it, because he's usually right, as you guys can see. So Soaring Straight up to 90,000 miles is probably one of the best ones on this list so far. In fact, I would say he is the best one on the list. He has over 780 people following him right now. He's very good, and he's very consistent, which I think is very good. My concern with him is mainly large amounts of leverage, but if you guys make sure you cap your leverage at some level, maybe it's 50x, 100x, whatever you feel comfortable with, or you just don't allow large trades of like $2,000 with 200x leverage, I think you guys will be fine. But really understand, if things go negative, how much can your account absorb, and make sure you may be only doing 1 or 2 trades following him at a time, unless you guys have a large amount of capital. But having 147 current trades open is something that will be very difficult for a new copy trader to really understand, right? So next up, we have one from Blofin. This is Give 76 here. He only has 12 copiers, but I know a lot of you guys have been asking me more about Blofin, because I don't do much content about them as far as like copy traders and actually just using their platform all too much. And they actually have one. He's up 500%. His max drawdown was 8% right here. His copy traders are actually making some money right now, which is pretty good. But you can see his returns are going higher and higher and higher. he is a relatively new trader, but if you guys are looking for those new types of traders, it looks like this will be something for you guys as well. He's only been trading for 7 days, so give him some time, I would say, to kind of prove himself. But if you guys wanted to have somebody added onto a watch list, this is somebody I would add on there, especially because it's Blofin, and I haven't seen many copies of Blofin succeed. This is one that's actually doing a good job, so keep an eye on him. Profit loss, I love how Blofin actually shows you guys this stuff. He is making money bit by bit, and I think that's good, but he seems to be doing a little bit more scalping, so keep an eye on that. His trades have been, there you go, profitable so far. 40%, 40%, 40%, 40%, 40%, right? And he has copiers and copiers and copiers following him, copying him, excuse me. And you can see profit and profit and profit and profit. His people are making profit. Not a lot because they haven't invested a lot of money behind him, but that's okay. Not everybody needs to toss in $1,000. These guys seem to be tossing at $100 or $200, and they're making their investment back pretty darn well, right? Next up here, we have Silent. This is another one on WEEX because WEEX has been making a big push for their traders, and this guy has been going absolutely ham. Another high risk one, not even say high risk, just high leverage one, a high leverage one right here. You can see the return on investment so far has been around 19% or 18.5%. His profit, right, all time is 73,644. Last few weeks it's been 24,542, so he has been making some good moves. He's made around 764 trades in the last 3 weeks. If you look at his history, making money. But what he's doing is he's scalping with very high leverage, and then when he gets up to 1/3 of a percentage point, he'll usually take his profit. So short 400x, take profit at 124. Short at 200x, take profit on 113%. Over and over and over again. So his copiers are, of course, making some good money. This copier's made over $56,000 following him, which is absolutely insane. But he's been very consistent. He's been very good. He's been trading for over 300 days, which is almost a year, basically. So unlike him, who's doing a lot of trades, like 150 trades, this guy is still doing a lot at 44, but not nearly as much. So I would say if this guy is spooking you a little bit too much, I would say Silent is going to be somebody I would keep an eye out for. He does trade a lot of stuff just like the other guy, but I would just say, hey, I just want to follow your Bitcoin trades. I just want to follow your Ethereum trades. I don't want to follow your Solana trades and stuff like that, because you can see this trade right here was down 1,000%. This one was down 463%. Now, overall, his people are making money, like I just said, but it's important that you guys understand, can your account absorb those type of losses, which is why you don't want to be doing large portions of your copy trading portfolio into these types of trades. Cap it at $100, cap it at $50. What can you lose 1,000% on? Or can you just say, hey, if it falls down below 500%, I'm going to take a stop loss, because a lot of these trades are, again, 1,500% profit, 1,400% profit. You should be able to absorb it, but you guys have to understand, you have to really mitigate. You really have to decide how risky you want to be and how much money you want to allocate. I think for most of you guys, it's okay if you just follow him with $20 at a time, right? Maybe you have $400 following him, but $20 is the cap per trade. That way you can go back and forth and you can see win after win after win after win, sure. But if a loss comes around, you got to make sure you can absorb it and then take advantage of all the next wins that he has, right? Now, to finish things up here, we have Warriors. This is on Blofin, another one here off Blofin. 76 followers. This is probably the best trader on Blofin at this point in time. Return on investment last 30 days is 427%. He's made around $92. He's mostly a trader for trader's sake, I believe. And by that, I mean he's trading so he can get the profit share off of people that are following him. Like you guys know, if you follow a copy trader and they make you $100, they get $10 of that $100. He's been profitable so far this month. Annualized return has been a little over 8,000%, which is absolutely insane. When you go over here to his trading preferences, though, he's trading a lot of Pippin. I don't really do Pippin. I like Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I might say you guys might just be getting these ones right here. Bitcoin, which is a win rate of 95%, and Ethereum, which is a win rate of 84, while Pippin is a win rate of like around 84 as well. So maybe just Bitcoin if you really want to have those great trades. Even Solana is 100% there, so not going to be too crazy to watch him there. Some of his trades have been pretty good, I would say, so far. It's not going to show me his trade history here for some reason, but so far he's been doing really, really good. He's not doing any bots. His copiers are making money, $68, total return 136, 22, 24, 14, yada, yada, yada. Making good money. I think that's the most important thing. As I tell you all the time, guys, you need to be following people whose copiers are making money. If their copiers are not making money, that's a bad sign. However, you have to understand, if they have a good success rate and people are still losing money, they're not calibrating their copy trading style to fit who they're copying, which is why I really say if you have somebody that goes down 100% in a trade, 200% in a trade regularly, right, because they have such high leverage, you have to really tone down how much money you're willing to invest, or you can max out the leverage if you want to as well, which means if they do 400x leverage, maybe you just cap your leverage at 100%. Maybe you take a quarter of the profit, but you also take a quarter of the losses and a quarter of the chance that your account's going to be liquidated if you are not paying attention the right way, right? So thank you guys, everybody, for watching. If you guys want to check out any of these guys, I have links down below. And if you guys have questions, let me know. I'm always here to help you guys out. Thanks.